get started. So let's check this. IPS and then sketch, top plane, and then we'll make a centered rectangle, and then make a rectangle on the origin first, syempre. And then its length is 3.75 inches and its height is 3 inches. And then let's check it, and then we'll make a sketch play on the 4 sides. So 0.50 inches on both 4 sides, which is we make it a fillet. And then we'll make a circle on that 4 that origin. Later on, we'll make a measurement on that 4 circles. And then check, click check, and then next one is click all 4 circles, and then we'll make measurement on that. Right click, make equal, and then smart dimension to see its measurement 0.68. We'll make it 0.38 diameter, if I'm not mistaken. And then feature, extrude base, click that side, and we'll make it isometric, and then it's 0.38 again. And then click that side, double click, right click, sketch, and then corner rectangle, click that side, we'll make yung pinaka base natin sa ilalim. And then smart dimension to see its measurement, and then again, and then we'll make a 0.06 inches. Basta haba yun. And then on both sides is 1.13 inches. And then isometric view to see its figure, and then we'll click the right plane. And then first is extruded cut, and then through on, click the through on, and then you'll see that lines, yellow lines, and then cut, extrude, exit, and then we'll click the right plane, click right plane, and then sketch. We'll make a line, and then on that side we'll make a line. Zoom to see its figure, para mas makita kung ano. And then kahit mamaya na yan, then right click, and then construction geometry. So click nyo yung line na yun para makita yung construction geometry. So yan, para makita, ayan yung magiging itsura niya. And then yung side na yun is 2.66. Yung side nun, yung distance nung geometry construction na ginawa natin kanina. And then click nyo yun. And then pagkatapos nun, on that side naman, yan, zoom to make it then lalabas yan yung arrow na yun, and then makikita nyo yung angle. So yung angle niya is 30 degrees. And then click para makita ulit yung side na yun. Ang sukat nun is 2.38 inches, or yung distance na. Ganyan. Pagka naka-isometric view, ganun yung magiging itsura niya. And then, click that reference geometry plane, and then yung first reference reference is yan. Click nyo yan, makinig yan, lalabas yan. Then, ganun, sukat-sukat lang, right click, sketch, and then plain one. So, yan ang lalabas. And then, on that side, we'll make figure, okay, convert entities muna, and then right click, construction, geometry, and then lalabas yung figure ulit na yan. We'll make a center triangle again on that side, yung sa tinagawa natin ng construction geometry na line. And then, next one is, so lalabas yan. Then, click nyo lang din yung pagsabay nyo. So, mag-automatic yan. Ganyan yung magiging itsura nyo dapat. Click lang ng click dun sa sides ng mga lines na yun. And then, next one is, so yan, yung sukat tayo. So, 1.88 inches yung height niya, and then yung length niya is, so, lahat nun, paras yan, equal yung 1.88 yung pati yung kabilang side. So, gawan ulit natin yung pili, 0.31 inches, yung apat na side na yun, and then yan yung lalabas. And then, check ulit, click lang natin yan. Gawa ulit tayo ng apat na circle on that side. Sa 4 sides na yun, gagawa natin yung na circle. And then, okay, ganyan yun yung nangyayari. And then, right click, make equal para lahat ng side is para-parehas. So, 0.31 yun. And then, so, ganyan yung nangyayari. And then, yan. Plain ulit, boss extrude. And then, 0.31 inches ulit. I mean, yun yung sukat, yung measurement. So, reverse lang natin siya. And then, so, sa isometric view, ganyan yung dapat magiging itsura niya. And then, yun. Ganyan. Plain one, boss extrude. Check lang natin siya kung tama yung pagkakagawa natin. Okay, right click, and then yan, apat na sides na yan. Check lang muna natin. So, para mas madali, ganan mo lang gawin natin. And then, corner rectangle. Gawan natin yun ang corner rectangle. Yan, right click, make equal. Basta sundan lang natin yung instruction na ginagawa natin, and then basta huwag magkakamali, matatapos natin yung, makikita nyo din yung result later on. And then, so this, the measurement on that side, 0.31 inches. And then, the origin, 0.16. And then, click lang natin yung check dyan. Check muna natin kung tama yung ginagawa natin. And then, click that boss extrude. Then, you can see the side, 0.31. Again, we'll check that, 0.16. Okay, so it should be that. We'll just hide earlier to that side, and then blind, plain, and then boss to see the distance or the measurement. Sketch, then insert line, so later on we'll cut that side, or delete that entity or trim that entities on both sides, so it should be same on the other side. Left and right should be the same. So again, on that other side it should be same. Mirror, and then right plane. So, yan. Ganon yung mangyayari. It should be the result of the figure. So, then next is we'll make a circle on that side. Then we'll make a measurement on that circle. 0. It should be 0.76. And then 1 point, it was 1.38. 0.75. So the third circle should be on that measurement. And it should be 0.50. Later on, we'll see how it looks like. Just wait for the result.